If you have a lot of followers and you aren't making 5 figures a month from your audience, then you're missing out on a huge business opportunity. My clients are making over $10,000 a month consistently from 40,000 followers following these 6 strategies. Let's get started. First things first, if you don't already have a high ticket offer, you need to create one. This needs to be something that has more access and support from you, but solves one of their number one problems. Now that you have the audience, we need to do some market research to figure out what problems they're actively trying to solve. That is what you create your offer around. Step number 2, we need to create a lead magnet that's gonna get your people who are in your audience raising their hands to who has the problem that you're looking to solve and who's interested in getting support. So we need to create a lead magnet that's gonna call out the people who are interested in your offer. How can we do this? Well, a great first step in terms of a lead magnet is to ask for a free client, especially if you've never worked with people one-on-one before, or you've never worked high ticket. Let's just work with someone for free for 1 month. That way you can get reps in and feel more confident as a coach moving forward for the clients that you're going to charge in the future. Another example of a lead magnet is maybe a PDF guide or something that's gonna be of value that actively solves that problem. So we need to make sure though that our lead magnet is directly calling out the kind of person that we want to work with in a high ticket capacity. Messaging is wildly important to make sure that you attract the right people and repel the wrong people. The idea with our free client, really, is also to get a case study. It's to gain confidence in yourself as a coach. It's to gain a case study, and it's to potentially get a testimonial or a referral from working with them, and then they might end up being your very first paid client. Number 3 is booking calls with people. So after you've created your offer, had a lead magnet, so you're seeing who's interested, we need to start booking calls with people to see who might be a good fit and who you want to work with. So understand their pain, what they're struggling with, what their challenges are, understand their goal and really where they want to go, and ultimately how bad they want it, if they're willing and ready to change now, and then really how your program can work to bridge that gap. Number 4 is present your offer. At this point, you would either had a free client that you've been working with for a month, or you have some calls booked in with qualified people who are interested in joining your program. So what we want to do is present our offer. If you want a full-blown video on how to create and how to pitch and present your offer, check out this video right here because I've already laid that out for you. But you want to present your offer. And in a summary, the way that we do this is we pull aspects from their goal and their problem, and we tell them which aspect of our program is going to solve that thing. So we want to present our offer as the next logical solution for helping them achieve their goal. Number 5 is we want to fulfill, and we want to help get them results. And so this is really working with your client over the next month to get them a result, and then enrolling them into the back end of your program. Now, if you are working with them one-on-one, you created that high ticket offer, I would recommend you're working with someone for a minimum of 6 months. Okay? So we're gonna fulfill your offer. The goal here is to add value and get them results. Why? Because then you can leverage those results to get more clients. You can talk about that on social media and attract more of those similar clients to you. And also, if you are confident that you can help him because you just did, you will be more confident that you can help the clients in the future. Your confidence is gonna skyrocket, which is super important into making this all work. Number 6 is systemizing with Skool. As you start to build up your high ticket coaching program, it's really good to start thinking about how you can provide more of a premium experience to your clients. And the way that I like to see this is starting to put together resources, training videos, documents, worksheets, things that are going to start to help them and also duplicate your time out of the mix. So we start to turn those resources into evergreen resources that can be used for your current and future clients. And we do this inside of Skool by leveraging the classroom. And so now it's starting to systemize your business so that it's more scalable, so that eventually when you're ready, you can scale out of one-to-one and start shifting to a one-to-many strategy like group coaching or like having a type of membership. And Skool gives you the opportunity to do that. So that's where I recommend number 6, systemizing so that you're ready to scale up. Since you have a large audience, at that point it's better to have something that's more scalable so you can help more people, impact more lives, and make more money. So if you have a large following on social media, there's no reason that you shouldn't be monetizing. Once again, step 1, it comes up with creating a high ticket offer for that audience, deciding which problem do they have that you're ultimately going to solve. Number 2 is creating some type of lead magnet that's going to get people raising their hands to wanting to work with you. Number 3 is beginning to book calls and have conversations with those people face to face so you can really see, are they a good fit and can you ultimately help them? Number 4 is presenting your offer, whether that's working with them for free for a month if you don't have experience, or whether that's working with them over the next 6 months to help them reach their end result. Number 5 is starting to fulfill your program. Actually work on over-delivering on the value and getting your clients results. This will lead to case studies, this will lead to referrals, this will lead to so much growth in your business if you just take this part really seriously. You just sign them as a client, over-deliver. Number 6 is starting to systemize. That's building out better structures, better systems so that you have a more scalable offer where you can help more people and make more money. So if you're interested in seeing exactly how we build out membership sites on Skool specifically, if you're interested in seeing exactly how we've built out our membership, head on over to Magnetic Memberships. I'm going to link it below this video. You'll be able to check out our free community that has a step-by-step blueprint on how we start, launch, and scale profitable membership sites on Skool. I'll see you inside.